Today, we're in south of France at one of the most stunning villas you'll ever see. The private paradise of none other than Germany's famous Geiss family. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode on the channel. My name is Ivo and I'm the koi partner, and in my videos we visit the most beautiful gardens, koi ponds all around the world. Today I am in the southern part of France. It's a place called Saint-Tropez. There are a lot of beautiful and big houses here, but there's something really important today. The owner, Germany's most famous families, it's the Geiss family. They have a really beautiful natural koi pond with some goldfish here. It's over 150,000 liters, but they have one big problem. They don't get the water clear and the water values aren't that good. So today, together with Oase and Martin Kammerer from Konishi in Germany, we're gonna install a beautiful filtration system with one goal: to get the water better so we can see the fish and the fish can live healthy. And guys, to be honest, if I say to you it's a special occasion, look at this Optimus Prime in the front garden. And that's just the beginning of this beautiful but also insane house. This pond, it's not just decorative. It's home to a collection of koi and goldfish that deserve the clearest, cleanest water as possible. And for that, we need one thing: drum filters. Alright, so before I take you to the pond, guys, this is where we have all the stuff, products we're gonna use for the installation. And you might can see it on the back already. I don't know if the autofocus is well enough. Together, we are going to install this filtration system in one day. So I'm gonna explain everything about the filtration system, about the setup, about the products like the UVs, the Bitrons, the pumps, the pipe work. We're gonna film and document everything today so you have an idea what it takes to do an installation of the filtration system for a koi pond. I will take you to the koi pond as well, show you the current situation. And of course, I would love to show you when everything starts working, how the filtration system's gonna make sure that the owner has clear water again. We're installing 3 state-of-the-art drum filters on this 200,000 liter natural pond. Why? Because even in paradise, clean water doesn't happen by magic. So what's a drum filter? It's a fully automatic mechanical filter that removes fine particles from the pond water without clogging or constant maintenance. As dirty water enters the drum, fine mesh traps debris like fish waste, algae and leaves. Powerful jets spray it clean, sending the waste to the drain, and while the koi keeps swimming in crystal clear water.
The main goal is that our products arrived in a good condition first, that's it, so everything looks fine. That everything fits easy together, and that later, so in 3 hours we can start the pumps, and then we can see the first result if it's flowing, and then we can also see directly that the dirt will be flushed out of the sludge channel here, and then the pond will be clean sooner or later.
So what is the most important part when you start installing the filtration system?
Yeah, first we must check if the pond size fits to the filtration system. Then we must see which kind of pumps we use, because when you have a big filter but you have a small pump, it also makes no sense, because you need the flow through. So normally a koi pond, we say in 1 hour, all the value of the water must be pumped through the filter, and then you are safe. And then the pond is always clean.
At least one time, they always say.
Yeah,
yes.
1 time, 1.5, 2 times, it depends where the pond is. Here it's very warm in the summer, you have algae growing and so on, so here you need a little bit more flow. And you have a lot of fish inside now. And then the UVC, it's responsible to destroy the algae and clean the water. That's also very important here when you have a sunny place like this here in Saint-Tropez. We have 4 UVC, each one has 180 watts. Yeah, and you can switch the UVC lamps on separately, so when the pond gets cleaner, you can switch 1 or 2 off, and then you can save energy also as well. The pumps later we will control via app. You can see the speed of the pump, the water flow, and then you can also, from every part in the world, you can switch your pumps down or power them up.
You can also see how much energy they use, right?
Yes, you can directly see on your screen how much energy they're using at the moment.
Installing a drum filter on a pond this size is no small task. It takes precise planning, heavy lifting, and a skilled team. But with the right setup, it all comes together in just one day.
But the owner is planning to have more koi in the future when the filtration system is done and it's working properly. he will add more koi to this nature pond, which it's actually pretty cool to show you on the channel. As you know, some of my videos we visit the really more static koi ponds with straight corners, and it also depends on what kind of garden you have, what kind of type of koi pond you can have. But here this owner has a lot of space and is able to have this 150,000 liter koi pond with a lot of natural plants and a natural environment. And I know some of you as viewers like those more than the static koi ponds. I have seen some nice koi. So to be honest, I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 big koi in this pond. I will turn the camera around. I just gave them some koi food. Well, I have seen the beko, we have kohaku, I've seen yamabuki, we have a nice kujaku over there. I even saw a matsukawabaki, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, we have some nice fish all the way up there. Well, that's my finger. And plenty of goldfish.
It takes a full day to do the installation. Martin and Lisa have been involved with this client for years.
Yeah, it's a project, a 150,000 liter pond. A very famous family in Germany, and they love all the luxury things, and the last thing they are missing was koi. So last year they contacted us and said, we'd like to have koi. Is there a possibility to keep koi in the pond? And we said yes. First of all, we need a filtration system, a powerful filtration system. Choose Oasis, the Profi Clear Premium XL, and for sure it will do a fine work here.
Yeah, and we have 2, and that's because of the size of the pond.
Size of the pond.
Yeah. So this setup is a pump fed setup, and you have also the gravity setup. Can you explain the difference really short to the people?
Yeah, the pump setup, it's easy if you have already a natural pond like the people here have, and you want to have a filtration system, plug and play, install in one day. So even for this size of filter, we just need for 2 people. It takes around 1 day for the complete installation. So you have a quick solution, and the gravitational version you use when you make an expert system and you build a pond with bottom drains, skim filters and everything, and then you choose the gravitational.
How much minutes do you think we still need for?
The last guess was not very okay, but I think 45.
You might have seen Lisa on social media the latest time she is doing a lot of videos nowadays, the store in Germany, but also in Japan, which is really cool. So go follow Konishi Koi Farm Europe, if I'm correct.
Konishi Europe, yeah.
Konishi Europe,
Yes.
that's it.
Yeah.
On Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And Martin, guys, has more than almost 10,000 videos on your YouTube channel.
7,500.
7,500. It's crazy. So go check it out. I will put a link in the description of this video as well.
Each drum filter acts like an intelligent gatekeeper, automatically flushing out all small particles. No more manual cleaning, no more dirty water. It took a full day and a lot of precision to get this system online. From trenching and plumbing to fine-tuning electronic, every detail counts.
This is our Aquamax Eco Premium 36,000. It makes 36,000 liters. The special thing is here, we can connect here a different cable. This is the power cable and that's our DMX cable, we call it. So and later we connect all devices together, and then we have our WLAN Master Cloud. It's a garden socket that works with cloud connection. And then you can check in the whole world what your pump is doing.
Amazing.
Everything is controlled digitally. We can monitor the entire system from a smartphone, including flow rates and backwashing cycles. Just 10 hours later, the transformation is breathtaking. The water is getting clearer, the koi are thriving, and the Geiss family now has a world-class koi pond system to match their legendary lifestyle. This isn't just about luxury, it's about longevity. Clean water is healthy fish, and with this system, that's guaranteed. A big thanks to the Geiss family and Konishi Europe for letting us into this incredible world. If you're inspired to level up your own pond game, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. From Saint-Tropez, this is Ivo the Koi Partner. Keep it clean, clear and koi approved.